In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up your first website or adding new pages to an existing site, Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes the process straightforward and easily customizable to fit your needs. So, grab your coffee and let's get started. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is where all the magic begins. You'll see a variety of options, but what we're looking for right now is the Login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll be presented with several options for how to continue. For the smoothest experience, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, which is not only faster, but also adds an extra layer of security to your Squarespace account. After selecting to continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Click on the Google account you want to use for Squarespace. If you have more than one Google account, make sure to select the one that's associated with your Squarespace site or the one you want to associate with a new site. Now that you're logged in, it's time to go to your website. If you're working on multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one from your Squarespace dashboard. The dashboard is the control center for your Squarespace website, where you can manage everything from design to settings and, yes, pages. With your site selected, your next step is to navigate to the Pages section. This is where all your website's pages are listed and managed. You can find this section easily from your website's dashboard. It's your one-stop shop for everything page-related. Inside the Pages section, look for the plus icon. This small symbol holds the key to adding new pages to your website. It's usually located at the top of the list of your current pages, signaling where new additions can be made. Upon clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with several options for the type of page you can add. For now, let's select Blank Page. This option allows you to start from scratch, giving you complete creative control over the content and layout of your new page. Now it's time for the fun part, naming your page. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to type in the name of your new page. This could be anything from About Us to Services, or any other title that fits the content you plan to add. Remember, the name of the page will also be part of your website's navigation, so choose something clear and descriptive. And there you have it. That's how you add a page to your Squarespace website. It's a process that might seem daunting at first, especially if you're new to Squarespace or website design in general. But as you can see, it's quite straightforward once you break down these steps. A quick tip before we wrap up: after adding your page, spend some time playing around with Squarespace's customization options. Whether it's adding text, images, or even embedding videos, Squarespace offers a wide array of design elements to make your page uniquely yours. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're building a portfolio, a business site, or a personal blog, knowing how to add pages is a crucial skill for managing your online presence. Don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher, and here's to your success on Squarespace.